Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. So from Cusco I am taking this collectivo with reclining seats and they will charge approximately 8 to 10 sols till Checacupe, from where I will be taking a taxi to go to the Rainbow Mountain. So from Checacupe traveling to the Rainbow Mountain, you can take taxis and you have to negotiate literally because it is around 150 what they say, and you can speak and see if you can get it in 120, but for me it was already delayed. I arrived in Checacupe around 11:30, so I decided to take a taxi with whatever price they say, and 150 is what they are charging. And here is my driver. Hello. Hola.
Oh, hola. Vamos para Vinicunca. Buena. ¿Qué nacionalidad? Nacionalidad.
India.
Ah, saludos para India, de aquí de Perú.
Namaste.
Ah, namaste.
Sí, no.
Bueno, saludos, buenos días.
So in the background you can see is the point where the taxi drops you, and the entry including the maintenance charge is 25 sols per person, and there somewhere is the Rainbow Mountain. So you pay 20 sols for the entry and 5 sols for the maintenance charge. So in total 25 sols. So it took me 1.5 hours to come to this point to have this amazing view of the Rainbow Mountain, and the weather is a bit cloudy, but that made my day because I could get some time-lapse video of cloud passing by and then the clear view of this Rainbow Mountain. So do check it out. And I have found a friend here, a little amigo. He has been very playful. Adios, amigo. Adios. So from Cusco to Checacupe, so 10 sols for the collectivo and 150 sols for the taxi from Checacupe till the hiking point of the Rainbow Mountain. So I'm in Los Angeles now, not literally Los Angeles but restaurant Los Angeles. So I'm back to Checacupe, and from here I'll be taking a collectivo again to Cusco, and it takes 2 hours from Checacupe to Rainbow Mountain and Rainbow Mountain to Checacupe. So it is 4 hours journey, and from Checacupe to Cusco is 2 hours journey as well. So in total you will be doing an 8 hours of journey. The worst part of this trip is going back to Cusco while watching Miss Marvel in Spanish. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.